Over 20 years ago, early humans and wolves first crossed paths in the frozen wilderness, their survival intertwined by shared environments. Some wolves, less fearful of humans, began approaching campsites, drawn by leftover food and scraps, fostering early interactions between the species. Over time, humans selectively encouraged friendlier wolves by feeding and protecting them, slowly forming a mutual bond of trust and cooperation. These early domesticated wolves, ancestors of modern dogs, began assisting humans in hunting, proving their value as partners in survival. As agriculture emerged, dogs took on new roles, guarding herds, protecting settlements, and evolving alongside humans in domesticated societies. Throughout history, dogs appeared in art, religion, and mythology, reflecting their deep integration into human lives around the world. Today, dogs are not only working partners, but beloved companions, their domestication one of humanity's most remarkable evolutionary partnerships.